What's up YouTube, what's up guys, how you guys doing today? Right now I'm about to go to the bank to put $500 in my mom's bank account right now. And dang, I need to finish washing my blanket. And is it weird I don't sleep with sheets on? Like, I'm the only one that don't sleep with sheets. Look at this. But it's washing right now. But anyway, yeah, I need to go to the bank anyway. I was playing some Black Ops 3, getting ready for Black Ops 4. Room is kind of messy. I need to finish cleaning it, but yeah, it's just like, damn. My bed is just, damn. And I'm not even gonna lie, it's really hot in this car. I feel like the sun is like really just sitting in the front seat next to me. Like, that's how hot it is in here. I don't even know why I have my beanie on. It's really not even cold outside, but I just felt like wearing it, so I was like, why not? Just felt like it. I'm gonna be going to Walgreens to get an Ethernet cable too, because I'm going to be streaming on Twitch. So if you guys want to follow me on Twitch, it's gonna be linked down in the description, and my Snapchat and Twitter. So make sure check the description below. And I'm trying to get a MacBook next month too, because I need to do thumbnails and better editing. So I might get a MacBook either next month, either late this month or sometime next month. I thought I was gonna have it this month, but I don't think I am, because I pay for car insurance, Wi-Fi, credit card, my phone. So it's just, and I'm always buying stuff too. Well, I don't buy as much stuff, but you know, but be on the lookout for a MacBook either late this month or sometime next month. But be sure to follow me on Twitch, because I'm gonna be streaming more on Twitch.
So deep in my feelings, baby, just anxiety feelings.
If you guys have not tried Dole mandarin oranges in a can, and the strawberry Welch's fruit snacks, or the berries and cherries one, y'all missing out. You guys are missing out. The strawberry and the berries and cherries fruit snacks and Dole mandarin oranges, can't go wrong with it. You guys are missing out. Try it. Stopped at Target because I need deodorant and I need more Febreze for my car and my room. Don't want to be funky, so I usually get Axe Phoenix, but I kind of want to change it up. I just switched to Dove. Which one is it? A new body wash, and it's Dove, and it's this one, the Clean Comfort. I don't know, I kind of want to switch up my deodorant too, but I don't know what to get. I want to try the Clean Comfort deodorant too, but I don't know. I'm thinking about switching. I don't know. Might as well get it. Now I need to find Febreze. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys right now. I could use some deodorant right now. I could use some deodorant on right now. I go like, you know how you could feel it, like the moisture underneath your armpits. Just a little bit. Not, it's really like not too much, but I could tell I need some. So I'm gonna go home, take a shower, put some of this on. Hopefully it smells good as the body wash, but thinking about getting this because this smells really good. Come on, focus. Yeah, blooming peony cherry. What? This looks like it smells good. This is the one that I got before. It actually smells really good, but I'm gonna try some different. And I'm thinking about getting this or this. I don't know. I really don't know. And if you guys really know your air fresheners, you know that this don't really smell good. The blue ones don't. So I think I'm gonna get the one that I chose. I think so. Might as well try something new. So yeah, just got the 2 fresheners and the deodorant. Still got my mandarin oranges, and sorry that I'm like kind of shy, like a shy vlogger. Like I'm not, even after a year, I'm still not used to vlogging and I always say public. Why do I say public? In public, I'm not used to vlogging in public by myself. So I'm still getting used to it. You know, I'm still getting used to it, so you guys gonna have to work with me. But I need to go to Walgreens, get a, what is that called? Ethernet cable, because like I said, I'm gonna start streaming. And if you guys have not followed me on Twitch yet, link down in the description below. Follow me on Twitch. I'm gonna be streaming on Twitch, so make sure you guys follow that. And yeah, like I said, I'm still getting used to vlogging, so I'm probably just gonna go to Walgreens and then maybe, I don't know, go home and just relax. I don't know if I'm gonna close out the vlog then, or I might vlog tomorrow or something, but I'll just, like I said, wherever this vlog goes, that's where it goes. So I'm gonna go to Walgreens real quick and get this real quick.
I'm lost and I'm found, but it's torture being in life. I love when you're out, but I fucking hate when you leave. I shouldn't let go. If you ever gonna let go, yeah. Suicide if you ever tryna let me go. I'm sad to know, yeah. I'm sad to know, yeah.
So I ended up stopping at Fry's because I need a Ethernet cable for better connection with streaming. Am I the only one that sees this? Focus. 35 fucking dollars for this little tripod. I got this at, what's it called, Best Buy for $20, and here's 35. So I found Ethernet, 6 Ethernet cables. Bro, actually I found more than 6. Why are these Ethernet cables 200 and 300 feet? It's like, the guy told me where it was at, and I was like, okay, bet. All these cables, like, I'm not even joking. Got this one. What does that say? 300 feet. 200 feet. 300 feet. 300 feet. 200 feet. Like, I don't need like a 200, 300 foot Ethernet cable. I'm not paying $40, $50 for a long ass cable. Like, the fuck? That could literally go from like my room to the living room, honestly. That's how long it is. Like, guess I won't be getting one today. So I don't know. Probably just about to go home. Maybe close out the vlog there, because I really don't need a 200-300 cable, 200-300 foot, you know, Ethernet cable. Like, yeah, it's high grade and all that, 200 feet, but I don't need that. My Xbox is literally 2 inches from my TV. Like, something like 5 or 6 feet would have been cool, or a little, like a foot long cable or something. Like, that would have been cool. Like 200 feet though, like, I don't need that. So probably just about to go home, close out the vlog, get ready for work, take a nap, I don't know. But I'm just about to go home now, for sure, close out the vlog. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Like, bro, they really only had 300 foot, 300 foot Ethernet cables. Like, I don't need nothing that big. Whoa, dang, lighting. Like, I don't need nothing that big. Like, I just really don't. So, like, I've never seen a 300 foot a 200-300 foot Ethernet cable. Like, I never heard of that. I never seen one. Like, I'm really not even joking. I have really never seen a 200-300 foot Ethernet cable. But anyway, yeah, I'm just I'm trying to stream, but I need an Ethernet cable because Wi-Fi, man, it's such a weird thing. Wi-Fi is such a weird thing. I upgraded my Wi-Fi, way faster internet. You know, I first started streaming, I wasn't lagging at all, whatever. But when I stream now, it kind of lags a little bit. It doesn't lag too much, but it's like when I play Call of Duty or something, everything's like just slightly late. It's kind of late. So I'm like, fuck, like I just upgraded my internet. I'm paying like $90 a month for this fast internet, you know, for this upgraded internet, and it's like still like not what I want it to be. Like, I'm not upgrading it again. So I'm just like, only thing that can fix it is the Ethernet. And it's just like, I shouldn't have to buy Ethernet if I already upgraded the internet. So yeah, it's whatever though. But I'm about to go home, close out the vlog, so I'll see you guys when I get home.